Okay, like I said, you probably won't see a thing, but don't worry about it. I will just have a short introduction what this is. So 2 years ago, we started a process called AI Landscape, and for the first time in Croatia, we made an overview of AI scene. So everybody who worked or actually is working in the field of artificial intelligence in Croatia is on this landscape. So we have three categories. We have companies and startups. So the classification of companies and startups is by the industrial vertical they work in, or if that is not possible, we check what AI tool or what AI technology they use. The second category is early adopters. So those are more traditional companies that started some kind of AI projects or initiatives or started the implementation of AI. The third category is enablers and expanded ecosystem. We include universities, faculties, organizations, or accelerators, conferences, because that category is actually the base for two other categories. So when we compared 2020 and 2021, we had a huge boom. Actually, we called it AI boom, and we definitely are following the trends right now, which is great. But we don't have any more like 60 new startups. But just to give you numbers, last year we had around 300 organizations on the landscape. Now we have more than 400. I will start bottom up. So in the third category, last year we had like around 120 organizations, and we can see that a lot of universities are trying, at least trying to implement AI classes into their curriculum. You have more organizations, more meetups about AI, data, machine learning. So from 120, we reach 160. And early adopters, we had slightly changes, so we moved some companies from early adopters to companies and startups category, but now we also added 10 new early adopters. So those are the companies like telecoms, banks, law firms, marketing agencies, and similar. In the third category, you can see, so the classification is quite similar. So we have the same groups, but we added a couple of new startups. So a couple of startups from the last year shut down, but we found 20 new AI startups in Croatia. And last year we had around 180 companies and startups. Now we have 220. But we added a new group to the landscape, and that's called Art and AI. But Petra will tell you a bit more about it. Petra, please.
Well, hello everyone. As an art manager, actually, I'm working in contemporary art galleries on the French market. And as a background, actually, I started a company which actually create projects where we merge new technologies and traditional art. So this first joint project with Croatian AI actually is the first time that we recorded projects that combine AI and contemporary art in Croatia. So we have listed several projects that were the first and recognized actually this trend. So few of them are Art Zagreb, actually Art Fair, the only one in this area. Then Heritage Museum of Drenova. During the Rijeka 2020 European Capital of Culture, who actually put a lot of effort to see and to create a lot of projects where AI actually combined with contemporary art. And of course, Container, Bureau of Contemporary Artist Practice. And as a part of which Device Art Festivals is actually an international festival dealing with technology devices, machines and robotics in contemporary art. And the festival actually investigates the technological device as an artistic medium through the intersection of different artistic scenes and the format of a triennial interdisciplinary festival program presenting Croatian internationally. So this is just the beginning of a new trend, and actually more about this topic will be next Friday, when Crow AI actually has a new meetup named AI Generated Content is here. What does that mean for marketing industry? So this is all from me. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate everyone who is on this year's landscape, and if you think you should be here, contact us. That's it. Thank you.